Hey guys, you're Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at Coronado Springs and we're out here in the casitas. Now, Coronado has a Destino Tower, which is their big tower. It's a beautiful space. And around it, ringing the water, the lake here, is all the little spaces. And one is the casitas, then there's the cabanas, and there's the bungalows. But we're in the casitas. We want to show you a 2-bedroom water view room that actually upgraded us. So let's go on in. So you're going to come in and automatically see that Southwest feel. There's the 3 caballeros. You gotta love that. The room is not small, which is nice. It's a good sized hotel room. 2 queen size beds. Great lighting. It's a good sized countertop with a great amount of storage for your clothing. They have a single dose Keurig with that seating out here. But what I really think is really neat about it is that it's doors. So to go into the bathroom area, they have the sink area and the toilet shower separate, but they have these like slider doors, or wood doors, very kind of western, southwestern kind of feel to it, which is really nice. And again, you got all your guys. 3 caballeros are really your theme here. And then you come on in, you got your 2 sinks, good storage. They do have a closet as well, which is really nice to have in a space. If you're staying here for any period of time, it's just nice. And then if you come around, obviously, then here is the bathroom space. Standard bathroom, toilet, obviously, shower with the special Disney products. And they do have that glorious rain shower we love so much. So, room-wise, really a solid room. Ceiling fan, AC's blowing. It's just a really nice space. So we are thrilled with the space. We're thrilled with our location. The cast member did really above and beyond to get us in a really good room and upgraded us. So we want to take a chance to show you guys this room and all that it had to offer. And with that being said, guys, this is George Florida Parks. We are here at Coronado Springs. We're out here in the casitas. We have view of the tower. Let me show you. Hold on. Let me show you before I say goodbye. So we're here. So straight across the way is Via del Largo, which is the restaurant, which is in the middle of the lake. Then there's the fountain. And then if we pull all the way back here, my friends, we begin seeing the tower. So with that being said, guys, this is a great spot, great view. We love it here. It's George Florida Parks After Dark. Do me a favor, like and subscribe, and you guys take up a fantastic